to enable ChatGPT Voice to Voice on iPhone. So let's get started. The official ChatGPT app by OpenAI now supports voice interaction. It includes a built-in speech-to-text feature where you can simply speak to the app and it will convert your voice to text to send to ChatGPT. So now to do so, simply go to the App Store, then search for the ChatGPT. Then simply tap on it. Then make sure that your ChatGPT is updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, then you might not see the latest update of speech-to-text feature in your ChatGPT. Once updated, you might find one. And if it still does not show, then tap on the Settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down till the bottom and then tap on the Apps option available there. Then tap on the ChatGPT. Now there, make sure that you have enabled the microphone button. Tap the microphone to start speaking and ChatGPT will convert your voice into text and respond. Now you can simply go to the ChatGPT again. Inside the ChatGPT, you can see black icon with dots at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply tap on the create option available there. And if available, you will hear ChatGPT's response spoken loud. And tap on the get started and it will be enabled. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.